Morning. 2014 Nissan Maxima. Customer states check engine light was on all weekend. The history of the vehicle shows that somebody put a massive airflow sensor in it about 6 months ago. We're going to go in here and do an all systems diagnosis, see if there's any stored codes, and then we're going to go to assist and see if there's any TSBs for those stored codes. It is a 2014. If it's the same TSB or same code for mass airflow sensor, there's actually a TSB to remove the throttle body, clean the back side of it, put the throttle body back on, and reprogram the ECM. But I don't know if it's still related. It says, customer states vehicle doing a jerky motion as before, check engine light on all weekend. Mass airflow sensor circuit P0101. Okay, so that's the bin. So if I go in here, P0101. Well, there's actually not a TSB for this one. Let's go to all this dust. Pulled the mass airflow sensor out. You can see where I wiped this and that, but it looked like that. Air filter's ripped. It's very stiff. Wasn't making a seal. There's the sensor. I tapped it on this white paper and that came out. So I'm going to recommend cleaning this, putting an air filter in it, clear the code, make sure it don't come back, get the customer on the way.